Hello friends, in the YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. Today we will discuss a very important case. The name of the case is ASHOKSINH, INDRASINH, KUMPAVAT versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been decided on 12th September 2022 and the matter has been reported in 99 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 19. The matter has been decided by Ahmedabad ITAT. The reason for discussing this case is that this case shows that if the assessee will not exercise its right or will not cooperate in the assessment proceedings or will not submit the documents at the level of the assessing officer CIT appeal, then only on the basis of technical grounds, however strong they may be, the assessee will not get the relief only on the basis of the technical grounds. There were two important aspects of technical nature in this case which were very much in the favor of the assessee. But because the assessee was non-cooperative throughout the assessment proceedings at the time of the first appellate authority, that is CIT appeal, that is why the assessee got the decision against him. In this case, the assessee was deceased. The notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee. The notice was received by the legal heirs of the assessee because the assessee was deceased. The reason for issuing notice under section 148 was that there was a cash deposit of 11.5 lakh into the bank account of the assessee and there was a salary income of near about 5 lakh for which the return was not filed. The legal heirs of the assessee did not intimate to the assessing officer during the assessment proceedings that the assessee is no more and this notice has been issued after the death of the assessee. The legal heir also didn't submitted any explanation for the cash deposit and even didn't file the return of income in response to notice under section 148. So the assessing officer made the addition and made the ex parte assessment. In this case, before issuing the notice under section 148, the assessee was also given the opportunity to explain why assessee has not filed its return of income or to give the explanation about the deposit of 11.5 lakh cash into his bank account. But there was no response from the assessee. At the CIT appeal level, the legal heir of the assessee first time intimated to the CIT appeal that the notice was issued to a deceased person. But they didn't give the explanation of the cash deposit of 11.5 lakh even at the level of the CIT appeal. When the matter came to the ITAT, even at that time, no one appeared on behalf of the assessee. The legal heir was saying that the notice under section 143 subsection 2 was not issued and the notice was issued to a deceased person. So this assessment is not valid. But in spite of being these two grounds on which a number of the assessments has been annulled by the various courts, the ITAT maintained the legality of the assessment done by the assessing officer. The reason is that the legal heir of the assessee first time intimated to the CIT appeal that this notice was issued to a dead person. So it was their responsibility to intimate to the assessing officer at the time of the assessment that this notice is not valid, because this will show the clean hands of the legal heirs of the assessee that if this notice has been issued to the deceased person, then the assessing officer may have the time to issue the notice to the legal heirs. But they didn't intimate it to the assessing officer. The second point on which the assessee was contesting that notice under section 143 subsection 2 was not issued. For this, the ITAT said that the obligation of the assessing officer to issue notice under section 143 subsection 2 before completing the assessment under section 147 is when the assessee files the return in response to the notice under section 148. Because the assessee has not filed the return, so assessing officer was not bound to issue the notice under section 143 subsection 2. So in spite of being these two important technical grounds in the favor of the assessee lost his case only because of his nature of non-cooperative at the time of the assessment, first appellate and second appellate authority. They were not filing any documents to substantiate the explanation of the deposit of 11.5 lakh cash into the bank account. At the end of the video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is ASHOKSINH, INDRASINH, KUMPAVAT versus Income Tax Officer. Thank you, friends.